Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 16th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir down 45 cents, 5.54%, closed at 767. This is looking a little bit better than Tesla, at least. So we have a red candle. Yesterday, we closed above 792, but today we came down right here. So we are back into this congestion zone. This is looking more and more like a congestion zone. So we have the bottom support at 751. And we have the upper support above 9 because see, we cross 9, we cross it, and then we cross back. This means that this $9 is no longer really being useful. What is more useful right now is this number here. Let me give you 940. So 940 is more useful. The stock is changing its tune. This can happen. And coincidentally, this 940 fits perfectly to the gap fill. The gap fill here, we had a gap from here to here, and that's a perfect gap fill. It's coming back there. Basically, at the beginning of the gap, this is considered the resistance. I should put that in red. So this is considered a resistance, and we came back up to there. It was filled. And now it seems like we are coming back down. And I drew this other less steep support. So we were going high. We were going up within this channel at this rate, at this angle. And now we seem to be slowing a little bit in terms of angle. So I am putting that there. I am not 100% sure that this is what is really happening. It doesn't cost much to put a line there. But what seems to be happening, even more so because of today, is this. So we are going down like this for now. So that I can be sure because we have this point here. The stock came down and then we bounced up, made it top, and now we're coming back down. So this is our second top. So we need obviously 2 points to make a line. So that's our second point. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So a gap down on the 1 hour chart, and then we stabilized it. We stabilized ourselves right above this new support. So far, this is holding. Will it hold for a long time? I don't know. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic at 14. Quite low. MACD, the two lines are exactly at the same number, minus 41 cents for the green line and for the red line. RSI below 50 and DMI, also pretty bearish. So there we have it. So right now we seem to be coming down again. So let's see who will win. Will this support win or this resistance wins? Those are the two choices that can happen. If the support loses, then we are going to go down. And if the resistance loses, then the stock is going to go up and we could go back up to $9 and with a little stop at 843. That's all. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I want to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.